This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential permissions and connectivity so the call works smoothly. Sign into your Apple ID and enable FaceTime in settings. Also allow camera and microphone. Once done, connect to a strong Wi-Fi network or enable cellular calling. Now open the FaceTime app, tap the plus button, type the contact's phone number or email, and press video or audio to start. You'll see a preview. Make sure your face and lighting look clear before the other side answers. Once connected, you'll use controls that change the experience. Tap the screen to reveal buttons, switch cameras for a different view, mute the mic when needed, or choose speaker, headphones, or another output. For more people, tap Add Person to convert the call to group FaceTime, then use Grid or Speaker View to keep the focus you want. If you want to use other apps together, start SharePlay to stream music, videos, or share your screen so everyone stays synced while you continue talking. To finish, tap the red End Call button and check whether you saved any screenshots or recordings to photos. If you need to use other apps during or after a call, swipe up or press home to multitask. FaceTime continues in a picture-in-picture window so you can navigate without dropping the call. If something goes wrong, no sound, frozen video, or join failures, stop and check camera/microphone permissions, toggle FaceTime off and on, install system updates, or reboot the device to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.